Do you want this look for New Year's? Yes? Well, stay tuned. Alright, so first we're going to go with our Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer because it's really hydrating to hydrate and prep the skin for our foundation later on. Then I'm going in with my brow pomade by Kiss. I know y'all can read, but I know people like voiceovers too, so here you go. I'm cleaning up my brows with my concealer in Toast. It's my favorite kind. It's the one that doesn't leave a halo brow for my skin and all that good stuff. And now I'm prepping my lids with the same concealer, and I'm blending that out with my Quickie Tarte blending sponge. And I'm going to set that color with Tan from Morphe 3502, which is going to be the palette of the day. And blending that out. Now I'm going in with Heat from that palette just to get a nice crease color, transition shade, all that good stuff. Don't really know where I was going with this at first, but we're going to see. And now I'm using Wiz. Look at that pigment though. That pigment from Wiz, Morphe 3502. I'm just building it up, patting it on my lid, getting the intensity that I want. And now I'm going to blend that in with Fire from Morphe 3502. And that's just going to make it easier from the black to the red. And here I'm just blending more and more just to make sure that one color goes seamlessly into another. And then I'm going to use my gray color from my Morphe 35C palette, and it'll make it easier from the black to the red, gives it more of a gradient in my perspective. And just working that in and blending that more. Here I'm just making sure the red is even across my upper lid. And then I'm going to pop Ruby on top of the black to make it pop, because it wasn't really popping for me. And here I am going in with my black opal concealer in Mahogany to cover my discoloration on my face. Then I'm going in with my Kat Von D Lock It foundation in 78 Neutral. This is a very matte foundation and it can be drying for some, and that is why I put on my Fenty primer before, so my skin can be prepped and ready for this foundation. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Matchstick concealer in Suede. This concealer is really creamy to me, and it's one of my favorite highlighting concealers to use now. And yes, I am blending it in with a brush, despite popular belief of using a beauty blender. And now I'm going in with my Matchstick in Espresso, which is a great contour shade. And I'm blending it out with an e.l.f. brush. And yes, I do use brushes for most of my face. Here I'm going in with my Sephora Powder Foundation in Cocoa. I'm using it as a bronzer because it's hard to find a bronzer for brown skin, as most of you know. And here I am using my new Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the color Deep. It is my new setting powder. It is not my favorite because I do love Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder in the color Deep as well. Now here's the fun part of putting the glitter on. It can be messy, and I'm using my Duo Lash Glue because I couldn't find my NYX glitter glue. And I'm going in with my NYX loose glitter in gold, all in my inner corner, and I'm just building it in onto my lid area from there. And as you can see, I'm just sporadically placing the glitter over my eye, trying to get it as like not clustered in one space. And once I'm done with my glitter, I'm going in with my favorite lashes by House of Lash from Sephora in the name Cecil. And then I'm going in with my highlighter by BECCA Champagne Pop, just to get a nice glow to the cheeks. And of course that wasn't enough, so I'm going in with my Naked highlighter in the color Lit, which is one of my favorites. I've had it for a while now. And I cut for some reason the part cut out where I put on my lips and my setting spray, all that good stuff. I don't know where it went. So here is the finished look, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.